There are a lot of people who have already started YouTube channel, but they don't know the guide on how they can be able to just give out content at any time so that their audience will be happy to receive their content. Or they must have been giving out content, but they don't really know how to plan to make getting content easier for them. So in this video, I'll be telling you about how you can create a content plan and never run out of content idea anymore. So my name is Philip. If you love what I'm doing, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've already done that, let's rock and roll. So content planning is very essential. It allows you never to run out of content ideas. It also helps you make your life simpler by getting rid of chaos and build streamlined workflow. It's like a roadmap that helps you achieve your dream. So if you're a new YouTuber or you are already here for so long, you don't know how well you can plan to be able to get enough content to just give out to your audience anytime, stay with me in this video because I'm going to be explaining much so that you'll be able to then know how you can be able to just give out videos at any time. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can prepare yourself, how you can prepare your tools that you use so that you become a better content creator. So the first thing I would like to talk about while you are creating a content plan is to pick one social media channel. I know it has come to your notice that we have a lot of social media channels in the world today. And remember, it is not a kind of energy or effort that you can put into Facebook that can also work for you on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram. They both need different efforts. They both need different patterns to make your video blow up in any of these channels. So if you're a new content creator, I will advise you to just focus on one channel first. Learn about that channel and learn how to grow your video on that channel. It is only when you've mastered one that I will advise you to go to the next one and continue to master it. In case you've not noticed, content creation is very hard. It is harder than you think. So spend time in building one channel first before you can get to the other one so that you'll be able to conserve more energy and just use it to grow one. So the step number 2 I would like to talk about is writing down your goals. Write down your goals you want to achieve every week as you prepare to create your content. Ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve from this content I'm about to create this week? If you can be able to understand what you want to achieve, that is when you can be able to prepare yourself and prepare every needful things to help you achieve your desire. In addition, not just about focusing on what you want, also think about what your audience would like to receive, what they would like to click, and what they will enjoy watching. It is only when you put your focus on giving the best to your audience that is the only way your YouTube channel or your video will always go viral. So follow this plan by focusing on your goals and focusing on the names of your audience so that your video can always go viral at any time. So the step 3 I would like to talk about is creating a batch content title. So what does that mean? It means do not just focus on creating one video only and send it out or upload it to your channel. You should be able to come up with content title that can serve you for a very long time, that can serve you for a month, 2 months, and 3 months. And then you start planning on how to make this content come to life. This is what I mean. This week, you can decide to upload 3 videos. So being today your planning day, what are the names of the titles of this video you ought to upload this week? You have to be able to write those titles down and also plan for next week and the upper week. And before you know it, you have a lot of titles, a lot of content you have to create rather than just creating one and upload and the next time you begin to think for another one to do. I believe you get the logic. So you try to make a batch content titles, make it a very lengthy one so that you never run out of content idea and your audience will be very happy to stay in your channel. So the next step I would like to talk about is when and how to create your content. Have a calendar that keeps days to create a particular content and how you create those content, e.g. like where, what equipment you need, and who should be present. Remember, quality over quantity. So in addition, To be able to stay constant in doing this thing, you need to have a calendar. It can be on your journal or on your jotter. You can easily write them down, create it as a form of calendar, and write those things that are more important, those things that will make your video come to life. You need to pen it down. This is how I do mine, and I never run out of content idea. You can also use tools online to be able to save content ideas. So this will help you to always have content you always drop at any given time. So to be successful as a YouTuber, you must write. You must write things down that are very important to you, things that will make your channel grow, and likewise yourself. So take your journal and pick up your pen, write down your content title and write down the script. Prepare your tools and prepare anybody who you know will be present in that video. And with doing this, writing this down will help you to be able to stay focused and make your video come to life. So the last step I would like to talk about is being disciplined and stay focused. Everything I've talked about here in this video, you only need discipline to be able to make everything happen. If you are not disciplined, nothing will happen. You need to apply discipline and you need to be focused on it. You cannot just create a calendar and just throw it off the side. You must always open it and follow it according to the way you've prepared it. This is what I always do. So every day I open my journal and check my calendar to know what I need to complete that very day. I have daily plans that I need to always accomplish. Without opening my journal and always getting to it, I'll get nowhere. So be focused, stay consistent, and be disciplined with everything you've planned. And that is the only way you can achieve your goals. Hey friends, understand that content planning is not very easy. It is very hard and it needs discipline, as I've said earlier. So you just have to put in the work and the effort, and you see that everything that you have in your head will just come to life. So by doing that, you become happy and impact people's life positively. My name remains Philip. If you love what I do, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.